The rainbow door is opening. Where does it go? Let's go! 1 to 10 are waiting for us in the land of numbers.
I'm number 1. I start the fun.
2 little birds flying high, 1 blue, 1 white, across the sky.
3 frogs jumping by the pond. 1, 2, 3, splash.
4 toys in a box. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5 elephants marching in a line. So big, so fine. 6 puppies rolling on the ground, round and round.
7 rainbow fish swimming deep. 1 to 7. Let's count and leap.
8 monkeys swinging in trees. 1, 2, 3, we.
9 kittens playing in line, meow and shine.
10 rockets ready to fly. 10, 9, 8. Blast off to the sky.
Can you find number 5? What comes before 7?
Wow, kids, you've learned all numbers from 1 to 10. Great job! Don't forget to like, smile, and subscribe to Kiddie Learn Laugh.